Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Typeform to LinkedIn for lead capture and recruiter interest, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Typeform to LinkedIn for lead capture and recruiter interest, start by logging into your Typeform account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard and select the form you want to use for lead capture. If you haven't created a form yet, click on the Create Typeform button to begin building your form. Design your form with relevant questions to gather the information you need from potential leads. Once your form is complete, click on the Connect tab located in the upper right corner of the Typeform editor. Scroll through the various integration options and select webhooks from the list. Next, you'll need to set up a webhook to connect to LinkedIn. Open a new browser tab and go to LinkedIn's developer portal. Log in using your LinkedIn credentials and create a new application. Fill in the required details, including the application name and company information. After your application is created, go to the Keys and Access Tokens section. Copy your client ID and client secret, as you'll need these for authentication. Now, return to the Typeform tab and click Add a webhook. Paste the LinkedIn API URL into the webhook URL field. In the Headers section, include your client ID and client secret as authentication headers. Customize the payload as needed to include the information you're capturing in your Typeform. Click Send Test to ensure the connection works properly. Once the test is successful, finalize the webhook setup by clicking Save. Return to LinkedIn's developer portal and navigate to the OAuth 2.0 section. Here, you'll need to set up OAuth to authenticate users when they submit the Typeform. Generate an authorization URL using your client ID and redirect URI. Share this authorization link on your Typeform's thank you screen or email notification to invite users to connect. Monitor the responses coming in through Typeform to your LinkedIn account. You can manage these leads efficiently on LinkedIn, responding to potential candidates or business opportunities. Make sure to test the entire process to ensure everything works seamlessly before launching your lead capture form. Once confirmed, promote your Typeform link across various channels to attract leads on LinkedIn. Following these steps will effectively connect Typeform to LinkedIn for lead capture and recruiter interest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.